Hello children, welcome to my lecture. Today we are going to do writing skill. As we know children, our textbook is divided into 4 sections: prose, poetry, writing skill and genre. Already we started prose section. First chapter we completed, second is going on. We already completed I think near about 2 poems. And in writing skill also we completed 3.1, that is expansion of ideas. Now we are going to do in writing skill 3.2, that is blog writing. So these icebreaker questions we can do children's afterwards. So first of all we have to take the information regarding the introduction of blog writing. The term blog is a short form of word weblog, right? It is a discussion or informational text published on the internet. Children, blogs are written on various subjects. Blogs are often informal diary style text entries, and every blog entry is known as a blog post. Blogs posts are typically displayed in reverse chronological order. It is what we can say, blog posts are typically displayed in a sequence, so that the recent post appear first at the top of the web page. It is started in the whole world in 1994. It have gained popularity as a medium of expression and communication. We can see children, there are several types of blogs depending upon their subject. Just like fashion blogs, it's depend upon fashion. Travel blog, it give information regarding how to travel and where to travel, which place is good. Then next is lifestyle blog. By reading this blog we come to know how we have to live or which lifestyle we have to adopt to live our life, and so on. Children's many more types of blogs. So children, let us explore the interesting world of blogging through this chapter. Now let us we come to know what is a blog. So blog is a what? Blog is a write-up that people share on online. Blog is a what? It is online journal where we could talk about our daily life, or we can share our things which we like, or we can share our thoughts, views, etc. things. So we know children, through this blog we get an opportunity to communicate information in a new way. So let's begin the beautiful world of blogging. So a blog is an online journal or informational website displaying information in the reverse chronological order. So blog is what? It is online journal, already I told. It is informational website where we are displaying information in a sequence order. In a reverse chronological order means in a sequence order we are sharing our information. So with latest post appearing first, when we are sharing it is in a chronological order or in a sequence order, so what happens? The latest post, which is the new post, latest post appears first. Blog is a what? Blog is a platform where a writer or even a group of writers share their view on an individual subject. Blog is what? Blog is a platform where a single person can share their views regarding one topic, and many more person also together share their views regarding that one particular topic or particular subject. In blog, each entry is called a post. Now we should come to know blog structure. The appearance of blog changed over the course of time. Most blogs include some standard feature and structure. Here are some common features that a typical blog will include. So here what they say, blog structure regarding they are going to give the information, and here text given what? The appearance of blog changes over the course of time. Means appearance of blog is changes over the course of time. Each and every course of time appearance of blog is changed. And most blog what include? It include standard feature and structure. So some features are given over here. We are going to discuss regarding this feature. First one given, header with the menu or navigation bar. So header of the blog, it should be what? It should be with the menu, or we can say menu in other language, that is navigation bar. Next given, main content area with highlighted all latest blog post. Main content area, it will be highlighted, or we can say it will have a latest blog, means there we have to put the latest blog what we posted. Sidebar with social profile, favorite content or call to action. Sidebar is filled with a social profile or our favorite content, we can fill our sidebar, or we can filled with a call to action. Next given, footer with relevant link like a disclaimer, privacy policy, contact page, etc. Footer. So footer means last of the blog, whatever last line or last stage of the blog, that should be what? That should be relevant with a link like a disclaimer, privacy policy and contact page. Now here given some reason why we are writing the blog. So see, first reason why we are writing a blog, or what is the benefit of the blog behind that. मीन्स कोई भी ब्लॉग लिखता है तो कुछ फ़ायदा होगा तभी लिखता है, या उसके कुछ कारण होंगे उसके वजह से वो ब्लॉग लिखता है. तो यहाँ दिया हियर अ लिस्ट ऑफ रीज़न वाई पीपल ब्लॉग एंड हाउ ब्लॉगिंग कैन बेनिफिट योर पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. कह रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर कुछ रीजंस दिए गए, कुछ कारण दिए हैं कि लोग क्यों ब्लॉग लिखते हैं और ब्लॉग लिखने से उनको प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल लाइफ में क्या क्या उनको बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. सी फर्स्ट वन गिवन, एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ एंड शेयर योर पैशन. थ्रू द ब्लॉग व्हाट वी आर एबल टू एक्सप्रेस आवर सेल्फ, कि हम अपनी बातों को, अपने विचारों को क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पर ब्लॉग के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. और जो हमारा पैशन है, जो हमारा हॉबी है, उसे भी हम ब्लॉग के थ्रू क्या कर सकते हैं, लोगों से शेयर कर सकते हैं. ऐसे सामने से बोलने में कभी कभी हमें हेजिटेशन होता है, तो हम ऐसे क्या करते हैं, ब्लॉग के थ्रू हम उसे शेयर कर सकते हैं. मेक अ डिफरेंस. So what happened here? We can make a difference. Many more bloggers are writing blog. So when we are presenting our view on all things, so we can make a difference कि उसकी liking क्या है और मेरी liking क्या है. मतलब other person what like and what we like. That difference we can make through this or by reading the blog. Next given, share interesting information. Through the blog, we are able to share our interesting information. Next given, refine your writing skill. Refine means improve. By writing blog, we can what? We can improve our writing skill. Blog लिखने से क्या होता है, इससे हमें फ़ायदा होता है कि हमारी writing skill सुधर जाती है. Next given, learn how to make money online. So here through writing blog, we come to know how to earn the money. By writing a blog, many more blogs, when likes are more, then we can get a money. Means by writing blog, we can earn money. That's why we are writing a blog. One reason is here. And today what? Money is very, very important. Build your professional network. So through the blog, what we can do? We can build our professional network. Earn more media exposure. So through the blog, what we can do? We can earn more media exposure. First of all, we have to come to know what it means by media exposure. Opportunity and publicity on media platforms to post your view and opinion. That means what? Media exposure. And today children, this is the corona time and we are not able to present our view and thought physically in front of any. So here what? Blog is the best way. We can sit on one place without infecting by the COVID-19. We can write our blogs, and many more people written on how we protect us from COVID-19 also. So these all things means blog is what? Very, very important. we are writing a blog, what we had the information regarding things, what precautions we have to take, and that precaution we can say other will read and they also get the idea how to take the precautions about some disinfected diseases. Okay, now what some importance of blog writing. What is the importance of blogs? So here first one, blog refine your thoughts. Blog what do? Blog improve our thoughts. Whatever thoughts we have, sometime हमारे अंदर जो थॉट होते हैं हम क्लियर ढंग से सही ढंग से उसको प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाते. सो ये ब्लॉग्स व्हाट इट रिफाइंस, इट इम्प्रूव आवर थॉट्स. ब्लॉग्स रिवार्ड द creator. Blog what? It gives the reward to whom? To the creator, right? If anybody read your blog, suppose you are creator, so they will give appreciation to you. So that is the what? That is the reward for you or for us. Blog increase knowledge. By reading the blog, we can get the lot of information regarding one thing or one subject. Or when we are going to write a blog, so what we do, we can read many more books and then we conclude which thing is correct. So in this way, by reading many more books, what we can do, we increase our knowledge. Next, given blogs connect us to our people. Blog what do? It connect the people, right? Those are reading the blog, we are writing, suppose others are reading, so they all people are connect with you. Blogs give introvert a voice. What introvert mean? The shy people. Some people are not able to present their view and thoughts physically in front of the people or in a group. So here what? That people, the people, those are what? This type of, those are not able to present their view and all things. So that people we can say introvert people. शर्माने वाले people, shy people we can say. Blog gives introvert a voice. Means the people, those are shy person. Are the people, those are too much shy. That person is not able to present their view and thought in front of us as a physically. But what? Through the blog, these shy people also present their view, thoughts, ideas, right? Their liking and disliking. Means they also get a voice through the blog. Blogs reward the new age publisher. Blog is what? It is reward means prize. Blog is prize for the new age publisher, just like a gift for the new age publishers. Blogs accelerate discovery. Accelerate means start. Blog starts discoveries, means blog help to start the new discoveries. Blogs open up a world without border. Blog what? It open the world without opening the border. With the help of blog, we can send our information, we can send our view and thoughts in another country. That's why here what written? That's why here written blog open up a world without borders. Next topic is how to write a blog post in 5 easy steps. Means how we have to write our blog. So our blog, it become too interesting, it look too good, and the reader can attract to read our blog. So the first step, plan your blog post by choosing a topic, creating an outline, conducting research and checking facts. First of all, what we have to do? We have to plan which blog we are going to write, which post we are going to write. So first of all, we have to choose a topic, then we have to create an outline for the blog, then conduct the research and checking the fact, whatever the fact what we are writing, that fact is correct or not. Regarding that fact also we have to what? We have to search and then we have to put our blog online. Second is give it an attractive title. While writing the blog, which topic we are chooses, or after research, after lot of thinking which topic you are chooses, that topic should be attractive. So what we have to do? We have to put an attractive title to our blog. Third one, draft a headline that is both informative and will capture the reader's attention. So whatever headline we are going to draft, that headline must be informative and it should be like that. So reader when see, he will capture to read, or when reader start the reading, so your blog line must capture the reader's attention. Fourth one, have an introduction. Lead the concluding paragraph that sums up the blog post. Add your personal experience. While writing the blog, we should have an introduction, and our paragraph should be lead to sum up. Sums up means to finish up the blog post. In the blog, while writing time, we have to write our personal experience. Fourth one, use image to enhance your post. Enhance means make attractive. So while writing the blog, we have to use the pictures to make attractive our blog. Improve its flow, add humor, and explain complex topics. Use short paragraphs, simple and short sentences and words. Here, according to the step 4, we have to use image to make our post attractive. We have to improve our post flow, and we should add in humor also. Humor means fun also we have to add, and whatever topic we are explaining, that complex topic we have to explain in an easy way. We can use short paragraphs for our post writing or blog writing. We should use simple and short sentences and words. And step 5, edit your blog post. Make sure to avoid repetition. We should what? Before sending or before put on online, we should edit our blog post and make sure कि any sentence, any word should not repeated in our blog. Read your post aloud to check its flow. What? When our blog is completed, then we should read. कि हमें खुद को उस ब्लॉग को पढ़ना है कि वह बराबर है या नहीं, उसका जो फ्लो ऑफ द ब्लॉग है वो बराबर है कि नहीं. वी शुड रीड लाउडली फॉर दैट. Have someone else read it and provide feedback. Our written blog we have to give someone else. Someone else means our friend or our relative or our family member. We have to provide that blog to read, and then afterwards we ask about the feedback. Keep sentences and paragraphs short. Whatever sentence or paragraph we are writing in our post, that we should keep a short. It is alright to delete or modify your writing at the last moment. It is allowed, means you had full permission. If in your blog any modification is needed at last time, you should what? Delete that things. Or if anything you want to add at the last moment, you can add also. End your post with a discussion question. So whatever you post written, after reading your parents or your friend or your brother or sister read it, you have to do the discussion. Means you ask the question regarding your blog, or whatever points they put regarding that, you have to ask the question. When you think your post is perfect, then only you have to send your post. See, one example of blog writing is given over here. This is what? Utsav Gaon, Diwali Cho Falar. See, here Archive means, you know, na, place in which public comments will come. Okay, so Archive means here the public comment will come, and in this way, this is the format of blog writing. See, pictures are used here. Diya, we can say, Arthe, like that. Pictures we can add to make attractive blogs. See what is written regarding the Diwali. It's Diwali time in India. The entire country is celebrating Diwali. Here is wishing you all a very happy Diwali. In India, Diwali is a festival which is celebrated by all religions together, but with different traditions and rituals. The festival is at the heart of Gaon Culture Market by Gaon Cham. Dhana Trayodasi, Narak Chaturdasi, Lakshmi Puja, Bal Pratipada, we can say Padwa, Bhau Beach, 5 days of celebrations to appreciate our relationship and family, commemorating the victory of good over evil, to let go of past gadgets and make merry. Time to hang a paper lantern, Akash Diyo outside of the house, light Pantyo or clay oil lamp. Draw intricate Rangoli patterns And not to forget the food Diwali Falar, tantalizing your taste buds. But that's not all. Diwali in Gaon is incomplete without the 5 different variety of bhog. That is what? Beaten rice. First is batata bhog, that we can say poha in general language, with potato. This is a savory version of poha that we all love. Next is dudache bhog, that is poha in milk. This is a traditional Gaon style preparation, a sweet version of poha made in milk. Next is dahiyache bhog, that is curd with poha. This is a sweet version of poha made in curd. Next is rosanche bhog, poha in coconut milk. This is my favorite version. Poha is cooked with coconut milk and jaggery. See, jaggery means good. Next is godache bhog, beaten rice in jaggery. One of the simplest recipe, get ready in a few minutes. The culinary offering in Gaon are ample, and district Gaon Diwali is marked by sharing these delicacies while enjoying the perfectly lit up the wintry evening. After staying up the whole night to the Naksar ritual in Gaon, the whole family feast on falar and this variety of bhog breakfast together, realizing the goodness of food and warmth of. Means see, in this way the blog writing here written on Diwali, that is Diwali Utsav we are celebrating. So what falar we are using in the Gaon area, that is given information in a blog writing format. Okay, so in this way we also have to write the blog. So children, I am not going to explain this blog because it is written very simple way. I think you can understand, right? So it is written on Diwali, what falar you are using and what days are falls in Diwali festivals, and that all information given in a blog way. So we stop here our lecture. Thank you children.